Good day to all. As we are fast approaching the end of 2020, just around the corner is our first fully virtual international workshop, IW 2021. We have a great program for everyone, for newcomers to INCOSE, newcomers to systems engineering, right through to our long-time members and to our very experienced systems engineers. On the screen, you can see some of the key highlights of IW 2021. It is a 3-day event starting on Friday, the 29th of January and concluding on Sunday, the 31st of January. We will be holding an opening plenary session where you'll get to hear the latest news of INCOSE and the INCOSE working groups. You'll also get to partake in the installation of your new board of directors for 2021 and have the opportunity to celebrate with the working group award recipients. During the course of the 3 days, we'll be holding many workshops, and these will be highly recommended for all participants. Some of the workshops include Model-Based Systems Engineering Lightning Round, a workshop on Human Systems Integration, and another on Systems Thinking, just to name a few. We will also be conducting town halls on such topics as Edition 5 upgrades to the Systems Engineering Handbook, the Systems Engineering Vision 2035 progress, and how to apply the Competency Assessment Guide. We'll be concluding IW with a virtual marketplace where you have the opportunity to discuss with each of the working groups what they're focusing on for the year and also have the opportunity to join a working group or two. During the course of these 3 days, each of the working groups will be holding meetings to progress their activities through interactive collaborative sessions. And this is a great opportunity for everybody to exchange ideas, share information, or test out a theory or two. And don't be surprised if you find yourself in a session of a progressive meeting, where a session may start in one time zone and continue through another time zone, taking advantage of the global brain trust that we have at this event. And we could only do this based on having a strong virtual event. Every participant will have the opportunity to network across the 3 days. This is not only just through workshops, chat rooms, breakout sessions, but also through our virtual cafes. And for the very first time, we'll be introducing the ability that you can schedule an ad hoc breakout session through one of these virtual cafes. So you can decide to meet with a colleague to discuss a particular topic and schedule this through a virtual cafe. During the course of the next week or two, the program will be published on the IW 2021 website. But I do urge you to keep an eye on the program, as it can change right up to the near start of the event. Registration is also opened, and on the screen you can see the website locator to do this. We're going to have a great international workshop. I hope that I do see you there. Thank you for your time. Keep well, keep safe.